Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow tea. First, gather your simple ingredients: marshmallows, your favorite tea bags, and hot water. For the best taste, choose plain, unflavored marshmallows. You can use any tea you like, whether it's black, green, or a soothing herbal blend. This easy guide will help you create a delightful, warm beverage. Now, let's prepare your mug. Start by placing 3 to 5 marshmallows directly into your favorite mug. Next, add 1 tea bag alongside the marshmallows. Carefully pour about 8 ounces of hot water over everything. The heat will begin to work its magic, softening the marshmallows right away. Allow your tea to steep for 3 to 5 minutes, letting the flavors develop. During this time, watch as the marshmallows slowly melt and blend into the hot tea, creating a wonderfully creamy texture. Give it a gentle stir to ensure all the melted marshmallow is fully incorporated, making a smooth, sweet infusion. Once steeped, remove the tea bag. Your marshmallow tea is now ready to enjoy. If you like, you can add a few more marshmallows on top or a drizzle of honey for extra sweetness. This comforting drink is best served warm, offering a unique and delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.